Welcome to Future Wheels, where innovation meets the road. Today, we step into the next era of travel with the redesigned Honda Motorhome, a masterpiece that fuses cutting-edge technology, luxury, and mobility like never before. Forget what you knew about motorhomes, this is something entirely different. Fade into a cinematic drone shot of the Honda Motorhome, sitting in a high-end showroom. Polished floors reflect the vehicle's glossy, aerodynamic body. The camera tilts slowly, revealing a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted exterior. Honda has reimagined what it means to travel in comfort. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a mobile sanctuary designed for those who crave adventure without compromising luxury. Every curve, every detail speaks of craftsmanship and innovation, ensuring you travel in style while feeling at home. The shot transitions to a close-up of the front view. The LED lights activate with a sleek animation, and the camera glides along the bold Honda emblem. The redesigned front fascia commands attention, a seamless blend of aerodynamics and power, with an aggressive yet refined stance. These ultra-modern headlights don't just illuminate the road, they redefine how a motorhome should look. The host, or rather, the road itself, welcomes you with open arms. A sweeping motion shifts the focus to the side profile, capturing its flowing lines, tinted panoramic windows, and stylish alloy wheels as a spotlight traces the silhouette. From the side, it's clear this motorhome is built for the future. Smooth edges reduce drag, increasing fuel efficiency while enhancing aesthetics. Large windows offer breathtaking views, turning every journey into a cinematic experience. And those wheels, precision engineered for stability, comfort, and a touch of elegance. The camera now moves to the rear view, where LED taillights form a striking pattern. The back door opens slowly, revealing an illuminated entrance. The journey doesn't end when you stop, it begins. The rear design is just as captivating as the front, with a clean, futuristic look. Every inch is designed for convenience, style, and seamless functionality. Step inside, and you'll understand why this is not just a vehicle, but a lifestyle. The camera fades into the interior, where the front seats are showcased in soft ambient lighting. The seats are upholstered in fine leather, with ergonomic support and a futuristic control panel integrated into the armrests. Luxury meets intelligence. These front seats aren't just seats, they're your personal command center, with advanced adjustability, massage functions, and premium materials. Comfort is taken to a whole new level. Driving has never felt this effortless. It's like Honda crafted these seats specifically for you, or maybe for the universe itself. The angle shifts to the rear seats, where a spacious, lounge-like environment is revealed. The camera slowly moves across reclining seats, premium stitching, and a panoramic sunroof flooding the cabin with natural light. For passengers, it's first-class treatment all the way. Spacious, refined, and designed for ultimate relaxation. Whether you're on a long road trip or just unwinding, the Honda Motorhome ensures that every moment feels like an escape to luxury. The soft LED lighting adds to the ambience, making this interior a moving 5-star suite. Quick cut to infotainment system and smart controls. A hand interacts with a massive touchscreen displaying navigation, entertainment, and climate settings. Technology is at your fingertips. A fully digital interface, voice control, and seamless connectivity make sure you're always in control. Whether it's adjusting the lighting, playing your favorite music, or mapping out your next adventure, everything responds with precision. It's like having a co-pilot who understands your every need minus the unnecessary conversation. The scene transitions to the Honda Motorhome driving through stunning landscape as mountains, highways, cityscapes, and even a beachside road at sunset. The vehicle moves effortlessly, the camera capturing its smooth ride and commanding presence. Whether you're cruising through the city or exploring the wild unknown, this motorhome is built to take you there in style, comfort, and confidence. Honda has redefined what it means to travel, proving that home is wherever the road leads. The final shot shows the Honda Motorhome parked beneath a star-filled sky. The ambient lights glow softly, reflecting off the polished body. The Future Wheels logo appears, transitioning smoothly into the end screen,